नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन our online study of mathematics.
Friends, in this video we will discuss about the mathematics of class 10th, in which chapter number 5, arithmetic progression for class 10th. What do you understand by sequence? An arrangement of number in definite order according to some rule, that is known as sequence. Once again, an arrangement of number in definite order according to some rules. For example, these are some numbers arranging with a rule, that is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32, and every numbers related to with a rule, that is previous number is multiplied by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. So this type of arrangement of numbers is called sequence. After that, finite sequence. What do you mean by the finite sequence? For example, in this sequence, some numbers are fixed. If the number are fixed, then that type of sequence is called finite sequence. And a sequence containing a finite number of terms is called a finite sequence. A sequence containing a finite number of terms is called a finite sequence. Infinite sequence. A sequence is called infinite if it is not a finite sequence. Means if the numbers in the sequence are not fixed, that is continuously running up to infinite, then that type of sequence is known as infinite sequence. For example, this is a 3, 8, 13, 18, 23 and up to infinite. So this sequence is known as infinite sequence. After that, moving for other topic, example based on sequence. So let us first question, what is the 20th term of the sequence defined by an equal to n minus 1 under bracket 2 minus n under bracket 3 plus n. So what is the 20th term of this sequence? So finding the 20th term, we will put n equal to 20, means we replace n by 20. We will get the 20th term, that is 20 minus 1 and 2 minus 20 and 3 plus 20. We will get 20th term is 19 into minus 18 into 23, that is 7866. So this is the 20th term of this sequence. Let us understand the application of general form of an AP with an example. So let's example, determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. So here requirement is to find the AP. Since the nth term of AP is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore we will get a3 is given that third term is 5, that is a3 is 5, and a3 is defined by a plus 3 minus 1 into d, where a is the first term of AP and d is the common difference of the AP. So we will get a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. On simplifying it, we will get a plus 2d equal to 5. So this is the equation number first. Another condition is given that seventh term is 9, that is a7 is 9 and a7 is defined by a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is on simplifying we will get a plus 60 equal to 9. On solving these equation, we will get a equal to 3 and d equal to 1. What we know that the general, that is the standard form of AP is a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. A A means we will write 3, A is the 3, and A plus D, that is 3 plus 1, 4, and next third term A plus 2D, A plus 2D means A plus 3 plus 2, that is 5, and A plus 3D you will get 6, and similarly you will get 7. So this is the AP. Now this is the application of nth term of AP and the standard form of an AP. Now let us another example. Find the 11th term from the last towards the first term of the AP. AP is given that 10, 7, 4 and up to minus 62. So first of all, we will find here how many terms this AP is containing. So here A equal to 10, that is first term, and D means common difference. Any term minus just previous term of that AP. So 7 minus 10, this gives minus 3. And last term, that is L equal to given minus 62. But we know that if L is given, that is last term is given, so L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the formula if last term is given. So we will put all the values. L equal to minus 62 and A is 10. N is required. How many terms this series, this AP is containing? So N, let us it is N minus 1, and D is minus 3. On simplifying, we will get minus 72. Why? Because this 10 is transposes to the left side. So this is minus 10. Minus 62 and minus 10, that is minus 72. And N minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. So we will get N minus 1 equal to 24 means N equal to 25. It means this series is containing 25 term. Now our requirement to find the 11th term from the last. From the last 11th term means 11th term from the last means 25 minus 11. We will subtract this 11 to the total number of terms. So we will get 14 and plus 1, that is 15 term is the 11th term from the last. 15 term from the starting is the 11th term from the last. So we will find here 15th term, not 11th term, because 15th term from the last. 15th term from the starting, this is the 11th term from the last. Clear? I want to once again tell you that question says that find the 11th term from the last, means from minus 62 we will find the 11th term from minus 62. But first of all we will find here total number of terms. Total number of terms are in this AP is 25. Now 25 minus 11, we will get 14, and 14 plus 1, that is 15th term is the 11th term from the last. 15th term from the starting, just 11th term from the last. So we will find the 15th term, that is A plus N minus 1 into D, and A is 10 and N is 15 minus 1, that is minus 3, and we will get this 10 minus 42 means minus 32. So minus 32, this is the 11th term from the last. Minus 32, this is the 11th term from the last. Now sum of n term of an AP. If n term is given, then what is the sum of arithmetic progression? If first term of an AP is A and the common difference is D, then the sum of n term of AP is given by Sn. Sn is given by n by 2a plus under bracket n minus 1 into D, and whole is multiplied by n by 2. So this is the sum of n term of the AP. But if the last term is given, then we will use the shortcut formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 is multiplied into A plus L. If the last term is given, then we can apply this formula, that is n by 2 into A plus L. L is the last. So let us understand it with an example, the application of sum of n term of an AP. So here is a question, find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. So first of all, we will find here odd integers between 1 and 2001. All are not between, including 1 and 2001. So the odd integers are 1, first of all 1, plus 3 plus 5 and up to last 2001. These all are the odd integers. So first of all, we will find here how many terms this AP is containing. So last term is given, that is 2001, and the first term is given 1, and the common difference is also 3 minus 1, that is 2, 5 minus 3, that is 2. So here A equal to 1, D equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2, and AL equal to N, AN equal to 2001, and we will use the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is 1 plus A is 1 plus N minus 1 into D, D is 2, because N is the required. How many terms this AP is containing? Let us N. So we will put N minus 1 into 2 equal to 2001. Now this 1 is transposed to the right side. So 2001 minus 1 means 2000. That is 2 into 2, N minus 1 equal to 2000. This gives N equal to 1001. Now since last term is given, so we will use a simple formula, that is Sn equal to N by 2 into A plus L, because last term is given, last term is 2001 and A is given that 1, and N is, we have already find here 1001. So the sum of 1001 term is 1001 by 2, because this is N, and A is 1 plus last term is 2001. 2001 plus 1, that is 2002, and half of 2002, that is 1001. So this is 1001, and again the simplification of this, we will get 1001. Therefore the product of 1001 into 1001, we will get 100, 200 and 1, that is 1002001. So this is the answer, and this is the application of the sum of nth term of the AP. Now selection of the number in AP. How can you select given numbers or otherwise required numbers in the AP? First of all, if you require 3 numbers, so 3 numbers in AP you will take A minus D, A plus D. Okay, because the common difference in these 3 terms is only D. And if requirement 4 numbers in the AP, so you will take A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So always you will take 4 numbers in AP, these 4, that is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus D. Common difference is 2D here. Difference is only 2D in all terms. If requirement is 5 term of AP, so you will take always A minus 2D, A minus D, A and A plus D, A plus 2D. Always you will take these standard 5 numbers in the AP for the solving any question. But if Sn is given, then how can you find the general term, that is the Tn or An? Tn and An, this is the same things. It means the nth term of AP is denoted by Tn and the nth term is denoted by An. This is the same things. But how can you find if Sn is given, means the sum of n term is given, then how can you find the general term of AP? So this is the formula for find AP. Tn or An equal to Sn minus 1 for all n is greater than equal to 2. And keep in mind that the first term and the sum of first term both have the same things. That is the value of first term and the sum of first term are equal. So first term and the sum of first term is always equal. This is keep in your mind. And Tn or Sn you will find Sn minus 1. Using this formula, you will get the general term of AP. So now, let us question, if the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. So here three numbers, how can you select? So this is the applications of the selection of numbers in the AP. Let three numbers in AP are A minus D, A plus D. Always we will take these three numbers, and according to the condition, the sum is given that 24, so we'll find the sum, that is A minus D plus A plus D, that is 24, and D is negative, D is positive, cancelled. So A, that is 3A equal to 24, means A equal to, we will get 8. After that, product is given 440, so A minus D into A plus D, that is 442, 440, this is the product according to the second condition. Because here is A plus D and A minus D, so you can apply a formula, that is A plus B, A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So you will get A, this is the single term, and the product of A minus D, A plus D is A square minus D square using identity, and 440, and the value of A is 8, so you substitute the value of A, that is 8 square minus D square. So this is 440 is given here. Now D square equal to 64 minus 55. On simplifying, we will get D equal to plus minus 3. Okay, so putting these value D and A in this general terms, in general three numbers, so we will get, now if A equal to 8 and D equal to positive 3, then we will get the numbers 5, 8 and 11. And if A equal to 8 and D equal to minus 3, then we will get 11, 8 and 5. This is the same numbers, but according to the sign, this is the serial is changed, 5, 8 and 11, 11, 8 and 5. So you will find both answer for the given value of D, plus minus 3. So this is the applications for the selection of numbers. Okay, after that, arithmetic mean. How can you find the arithmetic mean, and what is the meaning of arithmetic mean? If a sequence A, B, A capital is denoted by arithmetic mean, is in AP, then the arithmetic mean A of any two numbers A and B is given by capital A equal to A plus B by 2. So this is the arithmetic mean. Means to find the arithmetic mean of 4 and 16. So we will get 10, because 4 plus 16, you will put here 4 plus 16, that is 20, and 20 by 2 means 10. So this is the arithmetic mean for any two numbers. Now the construct an AP, that is 4, 10 and 16 by inserting a number 10 between 4 and 16.
हमारे इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।